for our Animal Wonders presentation. So by the way, my name is Ryan, and I will be your host for this afternoon. And what to expect in our Animal Wonders presentation? Of course, we are going to share and show to you some of the unique animal collection that we have here at Emirates Park Zoo and Resort. Okay, but before I begin the presentation, I would like to ask the kids standing in front, can you please remain seated? Go back to your seat. Parents of the kids, please ask your kids to remain seated for the remainder of the presentation. I know everybody would like to see our animals and have photos with them, right? Don't worry, because right after the presentation, we are going to break out most of the animals that you're going to see this afternoon to have a quick photo session and interaction with each and every one of you, okay? So for the meantime, let's move on. By the way, how did you enjoy our pre-show presentation with the African drummers? Does anybody have any idea what group of animals that came from an egg? Birds, aside from birds. Snake, of course, reptiles, right? So the first group of animals that you're going to meet, or the first animal, it's actually a blue-tongued skink. Blue-tongued skink is one of our reptile collection. And what is so special about this skink, Mr. Sorry, I forgot your name. Mr. Angelo. Mr. Angelo is going to walk right here, okay? And to show you our blue-tongued skink. So as you can see, it's a lizard, but have scales all over the body. It actually looks like a snake. And also, these reptiles cannot regulate their body temperature. So they need sun rays in order for them to reach the body temperature between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Largest species of tortoise in the world. And they can grow for up to 30 inches long and weighs about 100 pounds. And also, these tortoises can live for more than 100 years. You know why? You know what is their secret, kids? Yeah, exactly. They only eat vegetables. They are herbivores. So this species of snake is actually the reason why they call ball python, because they curl up like a ball majority of the day. And also this python is non-venomous, so don't be scared. They don't have any venom in their body. So how do they kill their prey? So what they do is they can use their entire body, which is one big muscle, to actually strangulate and suffocate their prey so that they can consume it. Okay, so now, one more time for everybody to have a quick look for our reptile friends collection. And don't worry, they'll be right back later part to have a quick interaction for each and every one of you. So for now, how about a nice round of applause for our keepers, our reptile collection, and our trainer. Because I'm going to show you the biggest bird in the world. Do you have any idea what is the biggest bird in the world? Don't worry. If you don't have chance now, right after the presentation, okay, you just have to fall in line and you're going to meet some of the animals. Come right here. Okay, does anybody knows what is the biggest bird in the world? Do you know what is the biggest bird in the world? They're going to fly right here on top of us. Ready? I would like to introduce to you our rainbow lorikeets, Cutie and Remo. There we go. And they're coming back there. Thank you so much, Cutie and Remo. They're cute as well. And now, the trip, stand up. Okay? Hold this plate for me. Oh, stand up. Hold this plate. No, don't worry. Just stand right there. All you have to do is just to keep the plate steady. Straight, straight. Don't look at that window. Just look here in front. This is for the birds, okay? I would like to introduce to you our beautiful Sanconyor. Baba, Tango, and Mango. There you go. Very nice. Great job there. What is so special about these birds? And look at them. By looking at them, you see there's green color feather in their tail and in their feather, right? Because they are still young. When they grow older, all those green feather will eventually fade away. And Spine, named Spine together with Trainer Bian. Look on your left side. Okay, so everybody, Porcupine is actually one of the shy type rodents in the world, okay? They are non-aggressive animal. They are very, very shy animals, so that means they don't attack people. I'm going to show you. I'm right here, Spine. Here. See, they're very gentle. And they have over 30,000 quills all over their body, like covering their body. That quills are made out of keratin, just like our fingernails and our hair. Okay, kids, can you please sit down so that everybody can see? And also, this porcupine, they have 20 permanent teeth. Okay, they have 4 incisors and 16 molars. And also, the incisors are continuously growing. So that means if they eat shoots and roots, it will continue growing back. Okay? Okay? It's quite big. This animal has been used for transportation, agriculture, and sports. What kind of animal are you expecting here? Are you sure you want horse here? Do you think horse can walk here? Huh? Why not? I would like to introduce to you our domesticated horse together with our horse rider. Mr. Ali, come in please. There you go. Everybody please remain seated. Kids, go back to your seat please. Go back to your seat, kids. Because our horse and Mr. Ali is going to pass by there so that the horse will not get scared. And for those of you who hasn't had experience riding a horse yet, okay, all you have to do, kids, tap their ears and bring them right there on horseback riding so that you can have an experience of a lifetime. And Mr. Ali is going to do that one more time. And I'm going to give you some facts about horses. Did you know that horses, all horses, have an amazing ability called sleeping standing? That means their tendon and ligaments lock up so that if they fall asleep while they're standing, they will not fall off. That is an amazing ability. And our domesticated horse. Don't worry, because later, after the presentation, Mr. Ali and his horse will coming back right there to give you at least 5 minutes to have a quick interaction with that horse, okay? So now, let's move on. I'm going to show you another mammal for the last time, huh? Last animal, another mammal. But this time, it's a marine mammal. You have any idea what marine mammal is? Yes, one of our resident sea lion by the name of Claudio. So Claudio is one of the youngest sea lion we have here. And here he comes. Okay, Claudio, say hi to everybody. So Claudio is actually a 4-year-old South African Perseus. Now, let me give you, oh, by the way, Claudio would like to introduce himself first. There you go. Very nice, Claudio. So now let me give you some facts about the sea lion. You know that sea lions can hold their breath for 10 to 20 minutes. Maximum 20 minutes for just single breath. If they're not doing anything and just resting underwater. And Claudio is going to demonstrate how they stay at the bottom of the pool. Just like that. Okay, they can stay for 20 minutes. If they're catching food, playing around, they can stay less than that. And also sea lions, they live in the ocean, right? So that means it's salt water. So do you think sea lion drinks salt water? No, no one can. No one can drink salt water. Why? Because if they do drink salt water, they can get dehydrated. So they're only getting hydrated from the fish that sea lions are consuming. And also, sea lions, they don't chew their food. They just grab onto it and swallow the entire fish whole. So meaning, even they catch a big fish out in the wild, they can just swallow the entire fish whole. And Claudio is going to show that to you. You ready, Claudio? See? You cannot see the fish anymore. And if you want to see more of the behaviors of our sea lions and more sea lions, I would like to invite each and every one of you to come and join us at 6 p.m. for our sea lion presentation right here in the same theater. And we do hope that you enjoyed our short presentation about these amazing animals that we have. And if you enjoyed, please help us to improve more. It's very simple. All you have to do is to visit TripAdvisor or Google, or you can scan that code before you exit and you can put your review, your feedback, your comments, and suggestions. And as I promised, I would like to call on our reptile keepers, our bird trainer, and also Mr. Ali with his horse to give you a short time, like 5 minutes interaction and have photo sessions with them. So once again, thank you so much and have a fantastic stay here at Emirates Parkside Resort where the memories are made. Thank you and goodbye everybody!
Don't worry, we'll bring
Now just going to say hi. There you go. Your wish is our command, right? You're happy now? Yeah? Okay, thank you. See you
Next shot.
Don't know.